the wheel, use a 22mm socket. Carefully take these caps off and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Now take some pliers and get on the top of this sway bar link. And just hold that down. And take a 14mm socket underneath. Take the sway bar link out. Just like that. And take this piece out. Use a 36mm socket. Take the axle nut off. If there's a washer, take the washer off as well. Take these axle bolts out. Use a 15mm socket. And you're going to have to rotate the axle to access the other ones. Now grab the axle and just tip it down. And slide it out. Take the new axle, slide it in position. And line this up. Now take the bolts and put the bolts back in. To prevent the axle from spinning, I'm just going to take a pry bar and go between the studs on the hub and torque these bolts to 58 foot-pounds. Let's go around, do the opposite one. And go all around, tighten the rest of them. Now take the sway bar link. We're going to slide this through. Just like this. Bushing on top, and the washer and the nut. Use a 14mm wrench up top and a 14mm socket on the bottom. And tighten this down. And then you can torque this to 81 inch-pounds. Make sure on inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. Yep. Put the axle nut on. Now we can take a pry bar, go in between the lugs of the wheel bearing to prevent it from spinning, and torque the axle nut to 177 foot-pounds. Put this on. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts down to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Now just go around again, double check. And put this cap on and just tighten down these caps. Just do this by hand.